Hello, Vintage Outboard Motor fans. This is T Mike. Welcome to my website. Just click on subscribe and get monthly newsletters. And all you got to do is click on the links right here. You can click on the shop link and find all the parts you need to repair, service, and restore your vintage outboard motors. You can click on the restorations link and look at some of our restoration work and submit a form if you need a restoration done. You can click on my parts broker link. That's right, I'm a parts broker. I can find any part you need for your outboard motor. Just fill out the form and submit it to me, and I'll get back to you with a price. Also a link for technical consulting. You have a question, you have a problem reaching me, just fill in the form and submit it, and I'll get back to you with an answer. Also got a link to the videos. I've got over 400 videos on vintage outboard motors, and you're probably going to find the video you need to solve your problem. And I have a few examples of videos on this link. Then click on my mail-in service link, and you can ship me your carburetor, your gear case, or your magneto. I'll repair it, make a video of it, and ship it back to you. I also have a shopping cart for the products that you want to buy. And then the last one is to search products for all the parts I have listed. So hopefully this website will do everything that you need. My passionate vintage outboard motors. I love what I do, and I love helping people. And remember, always remember, never forget, here at T Mike's Vintage Outboards, we're doing it one motor at a time.